What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Turbo. In today's video, man, as y'all see, we got the brake booster and the master cylinder coming out due to the fact that we have a brand new one we're going to put in. And the reason why I'm changing this because we got a bad hissing sound, and the bad hissing sound is coming from this right here. This boot has, basically failed internally, and the seals and stuff like that has basically got cut when I changed the pedals and stuff like that. But luckily, we have a brand new OEM replacement one here that came off another Scat Pack. I bought this yesterday, so I'm putting it on today so we can figure out, is that going to stop the hissing noise, because the hissing sounds very bad.